Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Laurie, and today we're talking about how to elevate your wardrobe with a simple yet stunning piece, the pink sleeveless dress. This particular dress is such a versatile option for any occasion, from casual outings to more polished events. Let's start with the design. The deep V neckline adds a touch of sophistication, while the flowy skirt gives it a relaxed, feminine vibe. The light pink fabric is not only soft and delicate, but it also has a subtle sheen, making it perfect for day or night. When it comes to styling, this dress can easily be dressed up or down. For a more casual look, pair it with some simple white sneakers or flat sandals. Throw on a denim jacket or cardigan for a more laid-back feel. Now, if you're looking to dress it up, add some strappy heels and delicate jewelry like gold necklaces or a dainty bracelet to keep things elegant yet understated. You can also add a bold lipstick to really make a statement. Thanks for tuning in today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fashion tips. I'll see you in the next video.